The following video is step-by-step procedures how to pack your rain dial controller. If you have a gray face controller, simply pack it up in a little Ziploc bag. Please include your phone number, name, email address, and then place the item in a USPS small flat rate box. This usually is a 2-day delivery and comes with free tracking information. These boxes can be obtained free at your local post office and is the cheapest way for any type of shipment. It costs approximately $6.80 for the shipment of that item. Now if you have a blue face timer or controller, you'll need to ship not only the controller but as well as the terminal wiring board. Go ahead and place both items in a Ziploc bag. Remember to include your phone number, your email address, and your physical address with the items, and go ahead and place it in a flat rate box. This particular flat rate box is slightly larger than just shipping the controller. As you can see in the video, if you're shipping the controller, it'd be the smaller box. If you're shipping both the terminal board as well as controller, it's going to be the larger box. Once everything is packed up, you can place it in a flat rate padded envelope. Both of these items can be free at your local post office. It's approximately 2-day delivery with tracking information, and the cost is approximately $6.80. Thank you for watching the following video. Please visit us at raindialexchange.com. Again, that's raindialexchange.com.